Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of September 2023 for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of September for all the Aquarius Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Sun controls your seventh house, and right now Sun is moving in your seventh house till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your eighth house in the sign of Virgo. Seventh house deal with your marriage, your relationships is seen from seventh house, your business relationship, your business partnership, your partnership in general is seen from seventh house, how you will meet others, how others perceive you is seen from seventh house, your spouse is seen from seventh house. So right now your seventh house lord is moving in your seventh house. So we can expect in the month of September you will have good result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your business partnership related, and your personality related, because your sun present in seventh house, and from seventh house aspecting your ascendant. So sun will illuminate your personality in the month of September. So we can expect good result for you people regarding your personality, regarding your marriage related matters, regarding your business partnership in general. Your fifth house lord and your eighth house lord is also moving in your seventh house, and right now Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. That's why we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matter, regarding your relationships in general. Also we can expect positive result if you have some love relationship in the month of September for you people, especially till 17th of September. After 17th of September, Sun will move to your eighth house. Then you need to be take care of your marriage related matter and your ego related matter, because Sun also represent ego and will be present in your eighth house, and eighth house is considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of September for all the Aquarius Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Mercury controls your fifth house and your eighth house, and right now moving in its retrograde motion in your seventh house. Eighth house deal with your sudden event, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your in-laws related matter is seen from eighth house, your secret relationship and your extramarital affairs is also seen from eighth house, your sexual organ is also seen from eighth house. Fifth house deal with your love relationship, your early education is seen from fifth house, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your fiance is also seen from fifth house, your fun activities is also seen from fifth house. So right now, fifth house lord and eighth house lord is moving in its retrograde motion in your seventh house. That's why we were saying you will have good result regarding your marriage related matter and your business partnership in the month of September if you have any business or if you are in relationship right now. So we can expect positive result from Mercury, especially till 15th of September, till Mercury is moving in its retrograde motion. But you need to be take care of your ego related matter and your communication related matter in the month of September, because as we discussed previously in Sun section, Sun represent ego and Mercury represent communication in general, and right now Mercury is moving towards Sun. So Mercury will be in a combust position in the month of September after some days. So we could be take care of your communication related matter and your ego related matter in the month of September, regarding your marriage, regarding your business. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people from Mercury. Now let's talk about Venus. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Venus controls your fourth house and your ninth house, and right now Venus is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Cancer. Fourth house deal with your home, your mother, your mother's relationship is seen from fourth house, your home, your properties, your vehicles, your comfort in life, your peace in life is also seen from fourth house. Ninth house deal with your father's teaching is seen from ninth house, your teachers, your mentors, your advisor, your lawyers is also seen from ninth house, your second marriage, your religious matter, your luck related matter, and your pilgrimage related matter is also seen from ninth house. So right now your ninth house lord and your fourth house lord is moving in your sixth house. Sixth house deal with your conflict, your argument, your fight, your litigation and competition, daily routine, and disease pattern is also seen from sixth house. Right now Venus is moving in its retrograde motion in your sixth house till 3rd September 2020. So you need to be take care of your mother's health in the month of September, because your fourth house lord is moving in your sixth house, especially after 3rd September, then when Venus will turn into its direct motion. So you need to be take care of your mother's health and your competition related matter in the month of September, because your Lord of Peace is also moving in the house of conflict. Also, Venus controls your ninth house, and Ketu is moving in your ninth house from last year March 2022. So we can expect you are facing many difficulties, many problems regarding your ninth house related matter. But right now, Venus, your ninth house Lord, is moving in your sixth house. So you need to be take care of your father's health as well, and your relationship regarding your teachers, regarding your mentors in the month of September. We can expect these results from Venus for all the Aquarius ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Aquarius Ascendant people, Moon controls your sixth house, and right now your sixth house Lord is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Taurus in its exalted position. Positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of September, and on the basis of 6th September, we are predicting for a whole month because Moon is very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in one video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house during these days, we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life because these house considered as actually malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, difficulties and issues are always associated with these houses. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life. Especially problem difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the way to judge moon transit. But right now, moon is moving in your fourth house in its exalted position, and your fourth house lord is moving in your sixth house. So, as we discussed in Venus section, you need to be take care of your mother's health in the month of September because your sixth house lord is also moving in your fourth house. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Mars controls your third house and your 10th house. And right now, Mars is moving in your eighth house in the sign of Virgo. House deal with your communication. Your younger siblings is seen from third house. Your cousins, your neighbors, your childhood friend is also seen from third house. Your efforts, how much effort you can put in your work is seen from third house. But mainly your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. 10th house deal with your work environment, your work colleague is seen from 10th house. Your work environment, your authority at your work, how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. Your right now your 10th house lord and your third house lord is moving in your 8th house, and Mars is taking Rahu and Jupiter's energy in your 8th house. So as we discussed in Mercury section, 8th house is not considered as very good house in astrology. So you need to be take care of your communication related matter because third house will be to communication, and right now your communication lord is moving in your 8th house. Also, Mars control your 10th house, and your 10th house lord is moving in your 8th house. So that's why we can expect some positive result regarding your work related matter and your reputation related matter and your respect related matter in the month of September. Suddenly, things will turn into your favor at your workplace if you are facing any difficulties at your workplace. But after 17th of September, you need to be take care of your in-laws related matter because Mars is moving in your Mars, your third house lord is also moving in your 8th house, and 8th house will be your in-laws. And after 17th of September, Sun will also join Mars. Mars in your 8th house, and Mars represent anger and Sun represent ego. So you need to be take care of your in-laws related matter in the month of September, especially after 17th of September. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people in the month of September. We will have four major astrological events in the month of September. First of all, as we discussed previously, Sun is right now moving in your seventh house and will move your eighth house on 17th September in the sign of Virgo. Second major astrological event is that Venus is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your sixth house and will stay retrograde till 3rd September 2023 and will turn into its direct motion on 4th September. Third and most important astrological event is that Jupiter is right now moving in your third house and is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 in your third house. Fourth and last major astrological event is that Mercury is right now moving in its retrograde motion in your seventh house and will turn into its direct motion on 15th September 2023. Rest all the planets like Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Ketu, we have described the results of these planets in detail in our yearly prediction video. If you are interested to know the results of these planets, then you can check my yearly prediction videos and watch for your ascendant. I hope that video will prove helpful for you. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of September 2023 for all the Aquarius ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.